welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, this is a requested video. A lot of you people have asked me, what to do for skin whitening. क्या करें, मतलब हमें fair बनना है, गोरा होना है. Guys, trust me, skin whitening is not that important, but it's really important to get rid of, if you have any dark spots or, if you have suntan. I think Indian people have beautiful skin. I like my skin tone and, but I have, tanned a bit. That's the reason why I wanted to try something which will get rid of my tan and which will also help you all to whiten your skin if you want. So I thought, कुछ नया ट्राई किया जाए, कोई तो soap होगा. There'll be some serum which will whiten your skin, and then I can answer all your questions. So I have tried this soap by Kozicare. So it's this skin whitening soap, and I had a bit of tan, so I thought try करती हूँ, देखती हूँ अगर tan चला गया तो of course whitening शायद हो सकती है. So I've tried this, and I've tried it for about 15 days now. My dark spots have definitely reduced, and tanning has gone quite a bit, and it's just been 15 days. So I thought I think the soap is really good. So it's the Kozicare skin whitening soap. It has anti-aging properties, it has moisture, it moisturizes your skin, and it will protect your skin from sun. And of course, I wanted to also talk about the ingredients. It has Kojic acid. Okay, Kojic. So Kojic acid, it's really good for your skin. It will decrease the melanin in production on your skin, which will help your skin whiten a bit. So that's there in this. That's the main ingredient. So this is really good. I will show you the soap. So the soap looks like this. Smells really fresh. So it won't, it doesn't have a lot of foam or jhag, what you say. It's soft soap. You can apply it on your face twice a day. Actually, you can apply it all over your body. I've just tried it on my face. I wanted to see if the tanning is gone. See the result. I mean, that's my hand. This is my face. So I do have a little bit of discoloration all over my body and my face. I need to treat that. I need to do something about it. I will apply it all over my body and see if it gives the same result. And it smells good, but it does dry your skin a little bit because I have dry skin. So as soon as I washed my face, it was a little bit dry. So I applied a moisturizer as soon as I washed my face. So if you have dry skin, I think you will need a nice moisturizer after you washed your face. So this is really good. I think you all should try it if you all really want skin whitening. And there are no side effects, nothing happened, no tingling sensation or anything. My skin felt good, but it did feel a little dry. So got rid of my acne spots. So I like the soap. With this, there's a serum which I'm going to show you now. So this is again from Kozicare. This is their skin whitening serum, which is really good. I have used this too. So after applying the soap, I use a moisturizer because it dries my skin. But at night I wash my face with this soap. Then I've applied this serum. I'm going to show you. The packaging is cute, and the bottle looks like this. This is the Kozicare skin whitening serum. Again, it has the same ingredients. It also has vitamin C and E in both in the soap and serum, which is amazing for your skin, which will get rid of any skin aging or acne spots and sun damage. And vitamin E also moisturizes your skin, get rid of all the redness from your skin. So this is the bottle. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna apply this on my hand here. Just 2 to 3 drops was enough for your whole face, and just massage it gently. So massaging your face also will help. So once you've applied this, massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Will increase the blood circulation. Smells good. It's so fresh. So it's nice. It's fruity and fresh and nice, and you know, it really helps your skin in whitening. I think that's, you know, I've tried it for a while now, and then I think it's really good. So these are the two products which I wanted to share with you all, and I think you all should go ahead and try this. And if you want me to try any other products, you know, anything else, any questions, anything, do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I'm on Instagram. You know, you can know more about me. You can see tips and tricks about makeup, skincare, etc. on my Instagram too. So it's called Leena Gowda Official. Go follow me there, and please like this video, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.